Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Casper Network, the IBM AI connection. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of Casper at the time of the recording, guys. So, guys, Casper overall is down 97.0201% all time. The price is approximately 40 cents, $0.03973. If we look at the yearly chart, guys, this is a bizarre sight to see. I mean, this is what I like to call the attraction point. Check this out. Whenever the price goes up, it goes back, comes back down to this price range over here, 0.039. Whenever it comes down, it comes back to this magnet point. So really interesting, guys. By the way, if you look at the monthly, not much to see in the monthly 7 days. A bit of movement, yeah, from 32 cents to 42 cents. But we still have to witness that massive price movement because it is down significantly, guys, since its all-time high. And many are bullish that Casper is going to reach $1 this bull run. But let's see, guys. We never know. A lot of skeptics after the IPW bankruptcy as well, but I truly believe that Casper has got great fundamentals to reach these heights and beyond. But let's see, guys. Anything can happen in crypto, not financial advice. Because a lot of people are skeptics, they're frustrated, investors are frustrated, but still there are people who are extremely bullish on Casper. Now, check this out. Analysts predict a promising future for Casper with prices potentially reaching $11.97 by 2030 based on current trends and market conditions. Crypto.ro Global. So, yeah, let us see what the comments are over here. Just a moment. Okay, just a moment, just a moment. Where are the comments? I mean, there was a really good comment over here. So, yeah, more replies. If only a. I pray that this is closer to realistic than some of the others. Yeah, we hope that this as well, that it eventually reaches, even if it reaches $1, it's going to be massive, a massive gains for a lot of people. But in terms of market cap and what Casper can provide, somewhere down the line, these prices can be realistic because they've written 2030. So let's see if Casper reaches $12 or not, approximately. What do you guys think? Can it reach $12 by 2030? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know of what you guys think. Yeah. So why can it reach these levels, guys? The reason is it has great partnerships, use case, and one of the posts that I've brought for you guys delineates that claim, guys. Check this out. Wrecked Wojak, Casper, shout out to him, all in Casper. Have you ever wondered how great IBM's cooperation with Casper is? IBM's share price is now returning to all-time high thanks to AI. So you guys know that IBM is huge, IBM is no joke, and the AI narrative is strong, and everyone is trying to basically. There are many projects that are trying to cash in, but Casper was involved with this since a while now. So check this out. Now you can understand how important the integration of Brave AI created together with Casper Labs will be for IBM. So basically, it is not just big for Casper Labs, but it is huge for IBM as well, guys. We think that crypto is benefiting from these associations, but guys, these associations are benefiting from the industry as well. We tend to forget this time and again. What does this mean for Casper token holders? hear for yourself from Casper Labs CEO Mrinal Manohar. So, guys, let us hear this out bits and pieces. Although, if you want to hear it totally, it is 13 minutes 29 seconds long. You guys can hear it yourselves. But let's just go try and hear this. What Mrinal is saying.
Is it true that the IBM sales team is going to sell Brave AI product?
The answer to that is if the product meets their internal, technical requirements, et cetera, and, it meets the remit internally at IBM, the answer is yes. So let me get very specific on that. What I mean by the answer is yes is we have a bunch of agreements signed with IBM, both for joint marketing efforts as well as to be an embedded service within IBM. Now, that means that at least all the, call it, legal foundation has been set for us to go after this market together. How exactly that turns out in terms of how we go to the market, I would say, one, it comes down to quality of the underlying product. There, I think the risk of failure is very, very minimal because we're co-developing it with IBM, and therefore we'll ensure that it meets their internal technical standards. And the second thing, which is really exciting, is myself, Ross, Michael Doback, someone who's working with us, a gentleman named Jim Drill, are all meeting with senior members of IBM early next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, really to map out what the go-to-market beta program, pricing, et cetera, is going to look like for this product. We're really excited that we have a bunch of beta customers already signed up who we can test all of these assumptions with. But basically, to set down the staple assumptions, we'll be doing that early next week. We're incredibly excited about this partnership. I mean, having a partner like IBM with us, with their excellent execution capabilities, really brings our value to a new set of customers and people who otherwise would not really realize the value of this underlying technology.
What could that mean for the CSPR token holders?
It's obviously positive, right? Anything that is posted onto the main chain, the public chain, will require CSPR to pay for underlying gas fees. And so, the amount of transactions that could hit the network could be incredibly large. If you think about it, AI systems change context very, very often. So let me explain what that is. So let's explain what would hit the public blockchain, right? And what we're actually capturing. An AI system, the context has three components. The context of an AI system is a sum total of what's the underlying LLM that's currently being used, how has it been parameterized? So that means what's your sampling method, what are your p-values, k-values, etc. And third are what are the data sets that were used to train this. Now, you change any one of those things. You change the parameters, you change the data sets that are used to train it, you change the underlying model, your context has now switched. Now, there might be other factors that we also include that would denote a context switch. But anytime a context switch occurs, that's all logged on the Casper blockchain, because logging it allows you to do three things that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise. One is auditable and certifiable end-to-end data integrity, meaning you have an audit path of every single data set that went in and attributability of where a hallucination or bias occurred. And that's very, very useful. Second, because you're logging all of these things, you now have the ability to version control. Meaning you can very easily, one of the biggest problems with AI today, and by the way, I love AI. I think it's going to be game-changing for the world. But one of the issues is version control is nigh impossible. So, say your AI starts behaving badly, you can't hit a button and go back to a previous version. Now, you can do that on Windows, you can do that on iOS, you can do that with your operating systems, your files, etc., etc. Obviously, for AI, it's a little more complex because you're capturing several things. There's a model, there's a parameterization, and the data sets. But our system will allow this version control. And three, really importantly, is it allows access across multiple parties. So if you go to the webinar, and Mache, in the video, we should share the link of the webinar.
So, guys, in my opinion, from what I can decipher from this video, a lot of bullish stuff that we can decode First of all, they're embedding their services within the IBM infrastructure. That is great. And secondly, the use case of Casper token, guys. According to Manohar, there are going to be a lot of transactions happening place in the Casper network as a whole, the public chain. So basically, that the transaction fees will utilize CSPR token. It will give it utility. It is going to be. It is basically. It will increase the buying pressure towards the upward trajectory, so it can be huge in terms of that. And the third thing we could basically decode is the integration of AI and how they are trying to basically solve the little issues that AI has at this moment, and how AI and IBM and Casper can integrate to create a phenomenon. So, guys, let's see where it goes. But this was a really good video in my opinion. You guys can check it out as well. 13 minutes long. Check this out. This AI implementation could mean big chunk of market revenue for Casper Labs and lot of deploys on Casper mainnet after Condor. More money in ecosystem, very bullish informations for overall Casper project. Go Casper. When will you launch on Casper? Waiting for your platform for so long. I want to use it. Okay. Why has IBM never communicated about its partnership with Casper? Also, on the IBM site, I have never seen anywhere where it is mentioned Casper in CSPR. Let's see what the comments are. Day one keynote breaking through AI's black box. Ask me anything. Casper Labs to build a blockchain powered solution. Casper Labs and IBM consulting today. Let me bookmark this. Thank you. I will read this document. I think it could help a lot of people who were wondering about the Casper IBM partnership. So, guys, it is true. The partnership is real. Watch the webinar demo and there was presentation. Thank you for this information, but I'm feeling like a Karen woman. I need a tweet from IBM. So, guys, what do you guys think about this connection? Do you guys think IBM needs Casper as much as Casper needs IBM? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. And what do you guys think? Can this AI narrative be beneficial for Casper Labs as well as it has been for all of these other coins in the market recently? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.